The Urban Development Corporation UDC is forging ahead with plans for Jamaica's third city. The mandate came from Prime Minister Andrew Holness in 2016 to make the development of a third city a priority. Since then, the corporation has been conducting groundwork with the involvement of a multi-agency steering committee to create a plan and lead the progression of this major development.
The development of a third city is being envisaged as becoming a location from which planning can start afresh from the ground up. Resilience to climate change will be built in to afford that location the requisite infrastructure to support smart growth and innovation.
What we're looking at is a purpose-built city. That is, we're identifying a city that is being developed for specific development and investment consideration. And the aim is to look at smart growth technologies, to look at alternate energy, and overall natural resource management, to look at climate resilience, and to look at sustainable urban governance.
The multi-agency steering committee is chaired by UDC Board Director Omar Azan. The team comprises representatives from the Jamaica Institute of Planners, Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, Ministry of Transport and Mining, National Environment and Planning Agency, Planning Institute of Jamaica, and the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica. The UDC is spearheading the process.
The city will be built to accommodate a target population which is anticipated to relieve Kingston of its current urban overflow and reduce the burden on the capital city's infrastructure.
In the third quarter of 2017, the corporation hosted a third city planning workshop, fulfilling another important step towards the goal. Participants were drawn from multiple sectors, including regulatory agencies, private sector entities, academic institutions, and technical bodies within the design and construction industry. The meeting was to gather technical and qualitative inputs. This guided the terms of reference to engage consultants, as well as sensitized stakeholders on things being taken into consideration as the process advances. The third city project has 3 phases. The first is site selection, which will last for 3 months. At this stage, the team will look at multi-criteria site selection model using geographic information system. Pre-horizon scanning and foresighting will also be done. Phase 2 involves strategic urban master planning and will look at sustainable urban operations and management of the city. This is expected to last 12 to 18 months. And the third phase is strategic implementation.
So we're looking at a number of things here, not just the physical build-out, but including things like land acquisition, determining phasing for the actual construction, apart from phasing of the project, looking at financing for that, looking at key investments to make the city attractive.
The third city planning project is still in the first phase.
Phase 1 includes 6 broad steps, and those steps are creating a planning committee, research and data collection, defining the methodology, the preparation of the terms of references, the procurement of the services, and the recommendation of the site.
By the end of those 6 steps, the team will be ready to name and publicly announce the third city. So far, the team has completed the site selection methodology and pre-horizon scanning and foresighting. Requests for submissions to undertake the various consultations were subsequently sent out for awarding in 2018.
Visioning means imagining the audacious. Those that have gone before are now depending on you to stand in the future and to create an audacious third city.
As the vision unfolds, the UDC will engage Jamaicans to ensure participation and awareness in this game-changing development. The Urban Development Corporation, making development happen for Jamaica's third city. Join the celebrations on March 21 as the corporation celebrates 50 years making development happen. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at www.udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.